Welcome to Insightly. This video will give you a quick, high-level tour of the features that make Insightly the go-to CRM for growing businesses. We'll cover everything from managing your leads to tracking project progress, all in a few minutes. Let's dive in. The foundation of Insightly is managing your customer journey. It's a central place to turn prospects into long-term clients and manage all of your business relationships. When a new lead comes in, you can easily add them to Insightly. Your Leads view gives you a clean, at-a-glance look at all your potential opportunities. Leads are used to capture potential contacts before you qualify them. Here, in a lead record, you can see all the details about your prospect. You can add a custom field to your record to capture specific data that doesn't fit into the standard fields, such as client industry or specific service requirements. Once a lead is qualified, it's easy to convert them into an opportunity. Converting a lead will create and link an opportunity, a contact, and an organization. When you do this, you can select the appropriate pipeline to move them through your custom process. This could be a B2B or B2C sales pipeline. Your work doesn't stop when a deal closes. Insightly helps you manage what comes next. Once a client relationship is established, you can convert an opportunity into a project to manage all your post-engagement activities, from client onboarding to a large implementation. You can assign tasks to your team, set due dates, and monitor progress. When you convert an opportunity to a project, the opportunity status will change to 1, and the records, emails, and notes will be linked to the new project. Insightly helps you automate your busy work so you can focus on building relationships. With workflow automation, you can set up rules to trigger actions automatically, such as sending an email alert when a record status changes. For organizations that require advanced data management, you can also use validation rules to ensure data quality by requiring specific fields to be filled out before a record is saved. Additionally, advanced permissions give you precise control over who can see and edit what. When you're ready to close a deal, Insightly makes it simple to create a professional quote. You can add your products and services to a price book and easily generate quotes directly within an opportunity. You'll see the total automatically calculated, and you can send a polished PDF to your client in seconds. Insightly keeps your communication and data organized. Insightly integrates with your email, so you can save important conversations directly to a contact record. And with powerful dashboards and reports, you can track key metrics, visualize your performance, and make data-driven decisions. That's our quick tour of Insightly CRM. We've covered the core features that will help you manage your business, automate your processes, and track your success.